So today I wanted to show you how you only really need 4 eyeshadows to achieve any look. So I will use just a quad and do 3 looks with it. So this is for those of you who maybe find big palettes overwhelming, or you are not as good at putting the colors together, or you buy a big palette and you find yourself using just 4 eyeshadows. There isn't actually that many quads around. Well, there is, but I think there is more bigger palettes. So today I'm going to use one of the Charlotte Tilbury's quad. I have quite a few and I love them. I use them probably every day, because every day if I'm not doing a video or not going anywhere, I don't need to sit there and think and create something extraordinary. So quads are easy, I don't have to think too much. Now you should have in your quad probably 3 mattes and 1 shimmer. That's if you like using shimmer. You can have them all matte. For example, this one, Charlotte Tilbury's quad, is called Desert Haze. These are all mattes, but you need sort of mid-tone, deep one, and something light for your mobile lid. Another great one is obviously the Pillow Talk. This one is really nice because it's sort of muted, so you're not going to get extra strong look. And Pillow Talk's Dreams, this is one of my favorites. But if you want to spend a bit less money, you know, Sigma came out not long ago, I think with 6 or 7 quads as well. So I have here Bonbon and Peach Pie, but I have all the others as well. I've got a video doing looks with every single quad from Sigma, so I will link it in the description box and somewhere here so you can have a look. So as you can see, for example, in the Sigma one you have 2 mattes. This one will be your crease one, this one to darken the corner, and then you have choice of 2 shimmery ones. The darker one you can put all over your lid, this one right in a corner. So I think 2 mattes, 2 shimmers are good, or 3 mattes and 1 shimmer. But today I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury's original Pillow Talk, because I think you can get more everyday looks with this one, so I think it might appeal to more people. So the first look and the quickest look is the one eyeshadow look, half moon look. I have tutorials on those ones as well. They are great for hooded eyes and are very, very quick. You just use 1 matte eyeshadow. Doesn't matter what color, whatever color suits you. And I would say, well, it depends. If you want it to be very smoky, you can use very dark eyeshadow, even black, and just blend it out. But you would use one of these, this one or this one. I'm going to use a bit darker one, Rifa 27. And you start applying it on your mobile lid in like a windshield wiper movement. Keep blending it up and up. And keep adding the color, mostly on the outer portion of your eye. Go right into the corner. This is something that I use so often because that takes me 2 minutes to do this look. And don't add any more, just keep blending it up and up. Don't go too low here, don't go too high. It's just almost like a round shape. Then I'm going to take Rifa 26, take the same color and go with it under my lower lash line. Make sure if you have hooded eyes they go high enough so when you open your eyes you can see that eyeshadow. Don't just put it on your mobile lid, because when you open your eye, your eyeshadow will disappear. Then you just put mascara on and that's your look. I need to bring this mirror closer, so sorry if you're going to see it, but my eyesight is not so good. And that's your look one. Really quick, but it's quite effective. I even like doing just a smoky eye with something even darker. I sometimes would use maybe two matte eyeshadows. I would make this portion of the eye a bit darker, but this is really quick. Okay, another everyday look. I'm going to use this lightest matte eyeshadow. I'm going to take Rifa 01, start in my crease, blend it upwards, and I'm only going to here Rifa 02, and I'm going to go to this shimmer and I'm going to apply this on my mobile lid. Then take the other shimmer, put it slightly here in the corner. I'm not doing anything on my outer corner. I'm going to take again Rifa 26, go back to this lighter eyeshadow that I put in my crease, and I'm going to put it under my eye, and this is really pretty everyday look. So here again I've applied some shimmer, but it's very delicate. The crease color is very delicate, and this is lovely. I wear that a lot in the summer with bright lipstick. This is like my favorite look for bright lipsticks. Okay, I'm going to take this off and we will do the third look. Okay, and now I will do more of my signature look. The look that I do with most eyeshadow palettes. So I'm going to take Rifa 01 and go to the lightest one and just start in my crease. Blend it upwards. Then I'm going to take Rifa 13, go to the darker one and just go right in my crease just to darken it. Then I'm taking Hulu P66 and I'm going to go to the darker shadow and start patting it on the outer portion of my eye. And blending it out. Now again, Rifa 02, I'm going into that darker shimmer and apply it all over my mobile lid. I might even spray it so I get better saturation. Then on Rifa 26 again, I'm going to the dark one and I'm going to put it on my lower lash line. Rifa 03, and I'm going to go to the lightest shimmer and just put it right in a corner and on an inner lower lash line. And mascara. And here is the third look. So as you can see, just from 4 eyeshadows you can get 3 different looks. I know these ones maybe there is not so much difference between them because it's such a muted palette. If I did it with the Dreams palette, this one, you would see probably the contrast and the difference between them more because these are darker eyeshadows. Okay, my lovelies, so that's all from me. I hope you found it helpful. Let me know if you've got any favorite quads, so if I don't have it, I can get it. And remember, if you want to see me using the Sigma, all the looks that I've done with all the quads, then I will link it up here and in the description box. But that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.